2026 Citroën 2CV Sport, a retro icon reimagined for modern enthusiasts. Exterior design, vintage roots with a modern edge. The 2026 2CV Sport masterfully blends nostalgic aesthetics with a modern touch. Staying true to the essence of the original 2CV, it sports a recognizable rounded shape, high wheel arches, and a gently sloping roof. However, Citroën has upgraded the exterior with contemporary features like sleek LED headlights, a wider grille, and aggressive lower bumper styling, giving it a sportier and more purposeful stance. The design also includes flared wheel arches that house larger, lightweight alloy wheels with retro-style hubcaps, all inspired by the classic model. Bold color options, including a few nods to the past, like Citroën's iconic gray and bright red, add to the vehicle's unique personality. Interior, quirky charm meets high-tech convenience. Inside, the 2026 2CV Sport keeps the playful and minimalist vibe that made the original model memorable. The cabin design is straightforward, with a focus on simplicity, incorporating premium materials like eco-leather, textured fabrics, and sustainable trims that echo the car's eco-conscious engineering. The 2CV Sport's dash features a digital cluster with retro-styled graphics, reminiscent of classic analog dials, blending the old with the new. The centerpiece is Citroën's latest infotainment system housed in a floating touchscreen display, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a simplified navigation interface. Unique to the 2CV Sport, the infotainment screen can be personalized